This is the stuff. This is the stuff I got to get rid of the brake fluid that had dripped down. You just spray it on and then wipe it off with a cloth, and it's gone. It's brilliant stuff, I will say. Then I used some of this gas type to go around the edge of it. It says you've got to make sure it's completely dry before you use this, so I did that. The thing is, it has got a little bit where it is completely leaking, so what I've done is I've made sort of an outline, and then I'm going to wait for it to go hard and then attempt like a little second coat on top. So this is what it looks like now. Not completely done, as you can see, so I'm going to wait for that bit to go hard and then do a second coat, and hopefully that will stop the brake fluid from disappearing, and my vacuum problem should be okay. I've been told that you're supposed to check the back of the wheels, or that needs a clean, to see if there's any brake fluid coming out of there. So let's do that. What do they look like? All right. What a strange angle this is. Well, yesterday, as you know, I did the and today it's good. It's gone hard. No brake fluid has dripped out again, so I take it as yes, successful. Next bit is to take it for a ride and see whether or not it works properly, or if there's still enough brake fluid in there, or maybe I should have got some more. Fingers crossed.